how to turn off notifications on Reddit. Today guys, I will show you how to turn off all notifications on Reddit. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First, you will just go to Reddit, then open it. And after this, when you read that it's open, and you would just go here at the top of the screen and click on your profile icon. Then you would just go down to the bottom of the screen and open settings. Then go to account settings for you on the first option. Then you will go to manage notifications. And now if you want to turn off all notification, you will turn off all this like this. It take time, but you have just be patient like this, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.